Now let's look at copying cells that contain formulas. So here we have a spreadsheet. First of all, let's put the formula. And this can be, there's a way to do this even quicker, but I just want to show you this way first. So we're going to type in the formula, equal sum, open parenthesis, B2 colon G2, close parenthesis, press return. So we have the answer. Now, if I go back, click on the cell, works the same way. Click, drag. All right, we're going to do it down here as well. Equal, sum, open parenthesis. Another way we could do this is we just drag the cells we want selected. Close parenthesis, press return. Now I'm going to drag down here. I'm just doing the monthly total, so I don't want to go into column H. I'm going to do the monthly average as well. Equal, average, open parenthesis. I'm going to select using my mouse, but I have to be aware that I do not want to include B7 because that is the monthly total. Close my parenthesis. Okay, I'm going to click, drag over. Okay, at this point I see I have one decimal place. I can either get rid of that or I can add it to 2. Since the rest of it does not have any decimal places, I'm going to just get rid of all the decimal places. Finally, we're going to do the grand total. Grand total is the total of totals. You may ask, do I do the monthly total or the total? This would be the location total. You do one or the other. It's going to be the same number. Equal, sum, open parenthesis. I'm going to select these guys, close. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to copy cells.